Part 4, the finishing steps. Weave in your ends. And cut the rest of your strands off. And there you go. We are now going to sew the sleeves together, and this is what it'll look like. I cut my yarn double the size lengthwise. My purple's going to be on the bottom, my peach will be on the top. Go through your outermost stitch and then leave an end to weave in. Alright, so for your purple, I want to show both stitches, and I only want to show the outermost stitch on our peach. So that means I'm going to go through my inner stitch on my purple and my outer on my peach. Okay, so outer and inner. Outer. Place your front on your back, and then we're going to sew the top where your shoulders are. And I really just go on your outermost stitch. Okay, and then use single crochet around the edges. I've already done the front, so this is me starting the back side after we've sewn our front and back pieces together. So I've done this side, and what we're going to do over here is attach 3 rows of 26 clusters each in between these purples. So I'm going to attach right here. And you do the chain 4, 3 double crochet, and chain 1, and do this for 3 rows. Alright, so now I'm finished with my 3 rows, and I'm going to keep this strand and then just measure it. I just double it. So we will use this to sew these 2 together. In the meantime, let's grab our sleeves, and we're just going to attach it like this. Make sure that your seam is in the middle. You're going to make sure that this is sewed right there in the middle of your new 3 cluster rows. Okay, and then we double our yarn the length of our sleeve. Let's go through the center, and this will be the center right here. New little tail, and I'm just going to tie it so that it stays right there. And now we just sew our sleeve. And you are done. This is what it looks like. I cannot wait to see what yours looks like on you. Please send me a pic on Instagram, and until next time.